The North's Lincoln. It was the opposite with Lincoln. He surprised many with his huge growth. By 1864, he had become a great politician and war director. He had much to learn at first, especially when it came to military strategy and choosing his army commanders. With an ineffective first Secretary of War, Simon Cameron, Lincoln needed to be very involved in the planning of military movements. In 1864, Ulysses S. Grant was appointed as the Union's federal general in chief. He would stay in this position for the remainder of the war. He was an excellent general for the Union Army. The war was very bloody. As it dragged on, the two governments had to resort to conscription or required military service. Additional soldiers were always needed to fill the ranks of soldiers dying by the thousands.